Okay, so you go to Google and search PR application renewal Canada. So if you type in that, you can go in here. So make sure that you are on the right website. So this is www.canada.ca. The application to get renew or replace permanent, click on that. So if you're here, as you can see, you can do online, and you can also do the paper based application. So what we are doing here is we will do the paper application. So as you can see here, this is the application package. So you can download the document checklist, application for permanent resident card. So the photograph specification, you can just tell to your, when you go to like to get your photo, just let them know that this is for your PR application card. They will know, they know already. Okay, depending on your situation, you may need to submit all this one, but we're applying by ourselves. So, okay, so we need to download all this one. Just click on this and application for permanent resident card. So this is already the download one. So as you can see here, these are the document checklist that you need for your application for your renewal. So application for permanent resident card, that is the form, and then proof of residency requirement if you were outside Canada in the past 5 years, but if not, you don't need this one. And then the fee. So renewal of PR card is $50, and also you need also this document checklist when you submit your application. So here, when you're applying for your PR card, you need the photos, copy of your primary residence. So you submit your passport copy. And also you can submit a copy of your current PR card. So these are just the additional forms supporting document for PR if it's applied to you. All right, so let's check the application for permanent resident card. This is the form. So you can check in here all the information that you needed to fill up. So you need to know your UCI number. You can get all this information with your PR card. Also, the most important thing here is your email address, your telephone number, and your personal history, your address here in Canada in the last 5 years. Also, your work or educational history or whatever activities you are doing during the 5 years. And if you went outside Canada, like if you travel or live outside Canada in the last 5 years, you have to check this one, yes, and you need to fill out all this information here, the date that you left Canada and the date that you came back in here, and the location and your reason why you went outside Canada. So usually I put it here other when you just go for a vacation and just put the reason what's like vacation. So it will automatic like total the days that you were outside Canada. All right, so are all the information that you need. Okay, and of course, don't forget to sign with your signature and the date, and where did you sign this form. Okay, I'll give you a sample of the payment. So this is the payment. So you pay $50 for the PR card renewal, and yep, you just pay for a $50 renewal. And if you have all the requirement, then you can just submit. Just make sure that you check the document checklist, that all your requirements are added in here. So like usually this is you need the application for a permanent resident card, the fees, and this document checklist. All right. So good luck for your PR application renewal. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you so much.